Look at this, guys. Swimming on his own. I'll let go in 3, 2, 1. For 3, 2, 1. Look at that. You're swimming on your own. How to float on your back. Now, most adults actually don't love being on their back at first. It's a little disorienting. But if you can take a deep breath and follow the sound of my voice where I start talking to you about, okay, you breathe here or blow out there or bring your belly up, you'll find it gets pretty easy pretty quickly. The other thing is you're gonna find a little bit of tickle in your ears because when your head's upside down in water, water can enter your ears and stay in it. Whereas if you put your face in the water with your face down and then come up, the water just falls out of your ears. You don't have to get it out. Right there, fell out of my ears. I didn't have to get it out. So what I want you to do is turn around, face with your back towards me, and then you're gonna lay your head back into my hands. I'm gonna hold your head like a football. It's called the football hold. And then when you're on your back, I want you to get your chin back. Yeah, so almost where your forehead's underwater. Yeah, put your arms in the water. Good. Now bring your belly up by arching your back a little bit. Perfect. So right here, you're floating. Now your legs are gonna sink pretty quickly because legs are heavy, but right now, he's floating. Okay, took him one try. That's pretty good. Chin back, almost till your forehead's in the water.
Oh, forehead?
Almost till your forehead's in the water back here. There you go. Yeah, you want to be able to see me. Now bring your belly up by arching your back a little bit. Good. Your legs will sink a little bit. That's okay. I'm going to let go in just a second. You're floating. Look at that. Incredible. Now, to stand up, I want you to sink your hips. Yep. Bring your hips down and then tilt your chin forward. Yep. Bring your head up. Sink your hips more and sit down. There you go. Good job. Nice that. So you're both floating on try number 1.
Wow.
Yeah, that was pretty fast. Yeah. Pretty quick. You guys follow directions really easily. You're going to be great students. We're going to get them moving on their back. So I'm going to teach them how to start moving and kicking a little bit on their back using their hands for paddles. Because if you can move on your back, you can save your own life. If you were to fall in water, you could get to the nearest boat or the shoreline or a dock or someone on your back because you can breathe. And you can then swim wherever you need to or for however long you need to, breathing. As humans, we need the breath. So the most important thing when teaching beginners, this is for the instructors out there, teach them how to breathe. I know it's hard. I know it's difficult. But that's the first thing you have to address. If you try to get them doing things without breath, they're not going to have confidence. They're not going to know where this is leading towards. All they're concerned about is, how do I breathe? It's an instinct. It's a human instinct. Fix that first. Teach that first. So here's how we get to our back. Once you're on your back, I'm going to have you first start kicking lightly. Now, when you kick your feet in water, you're kicking them with loose, floppy feet, loose ankles.
So relax.
Relax the feet. Now, she did just use the relax word. I try not to use that word when I'm talking to you. You can use it.
Oh.
When I talk to my students, this is again for the instructors out there, try not to use the word relax. I find it has the opposite effect on folks. Just relax, just relax. You're like, I'm trying, like I'm relaxing, and then it doesn't really work. So instead, I'll say things like, take a deep breath, blow it out, take another one and hold it. Start getting them to focus on their breath and controlling it. It brings down those panic levels in the brain and it helps them calm down. Or I'll tell them to move their arms. Give them direction rather than tell them to do something that's nearly impossible in that moment in time. So you're gonna, relax your foot, relax your ankle. You're gonna kick it nice, loose and floppy because the water's coming off the top of your foot like that. Okay? And so when you're on your back, the kick, not only is it light and floppy, but it stays underwater. It's a quiet kick. You're probably used to hearing this when people kick.
Yeah.
This one's a quiet one. Okay, we're gonna keep your feet underwater. All right, so you're gonna put your back first, chin up. Good. Oh, nice. Right, fell right into position. Now you can start kicking. Good. Keep the arms in the water. Good. I know your feet are probably banging the bottom of the floor, so bring your knees up. Bend your knees. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. And they're going to sink a little bit again. They might start hitting the bottom. That's okay. We're standing up now anyway. 3, 2, 1. Hips down, lower. Sit to the bottom of the pool, and then lean forward and keep sitting to the bottom of the pool. Good. Both of them went right back into the right position. I would get your chin back a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. and then start kicking nice and light. Good. She's doing it too. Guys, they're fast learners. It's incredible. Okay, time to sit up. So lower your hips and then lean forward. Good job. They're moving on their backs now. That didn't take very long. I'm actually being surprised over and over again right now how easily they're learning these things. So this is gonna be a short video. No, okay. No. So we're gonna be able to show you guys a lot of cool things by the end of these 4 days. Now, next step is to get their hands doing something. So I'm gonna teach them how to paddle their hands. Okay, it's like waving goodbye to your feet, but similar to the feet, you don't need to stiffen up your hands. Just keep them loose, just keep them relaxed. Okay, if I can use that word one more time. Just keep them relaxed and push the water down or backwards, or both. Just nice and lightly. You don't want to be going through any sort of motion, so make sure you feel yourself actually pushing on water. So right here, right now, push water towards me. Push water towards me, one hand at a time. Push it towards me, push it towards me. Good, harder, really effective, yeah, good. Okay, you can stop. Look at all the commotion you're causing. This is good. This is because every action has an equal and opposite reaction. By pushing on water, the water now pushes backwards. The reaction is that the water goes backwards, you go forwards. So you're constantly showing your body where you want to go with the back of your hand. You're always traveling in the direction of the back of your hand. So right here, if I'm pushing water down, that's pushing my body up. I'm traveling up. If I'm pushing water back, I'm going forwards. Okay? So your hands, they stay in the water nice and loose, and you're just pushing water down and backwards to move you. It'll look like this. The key thing here that I want you to notice, and I want you to notice, look how still and smooth my head stays. Look how the water around me is not affecting me. Okay? This is how you turn into a swimmer. Instead of fighting water, you learn how to work with water. Because water is a strong substance.
Am I doing this right?
You are doing it correctly. In fact, I'll show you how correctly you're doing it. I'll let go in 3, 2, 1. For 3, 2, 1. Look at that. You're swimming on your own. It's incredible.
Oh, my hand's not back more.
It could be back more, but so long as you're light as a feather to me, you're floating, you're doing it on your own, you're working, you're doing it. Okay, time to sit up, lower the hips, and lean forward. Chin back, good. Hands on the water. Keep them underwater when you do the paddles. Yeah, more. Lower this submersion. There you go. We don't need any splashing. The more splashing, the more likelihood that water goes over your face. Look at this, guys. Swimming on his own. And lower the hips. Whoa, nice job. If you found this video helpful, make sure you splash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel for free, become a member today. We're gonna be increasing the price of the membership soon. Also, go ahead and follow us on the other social medias that are like Instagram and TikTok and all the other ones. Buy some merch. We are keeping one color each year, but every 4 years, as you just saw, we did our red color version. So if you missed that, sorry, you're gonna have to wait till the LA Olympics in 2028. With that said, thanks for watching. I'm Jonny Rocket, and let's get swimming.